Guys, the Atom 2 is probably the most overlooked drone platform that has been put out. All right, Dad Random here. I'm going to be making a flight with a drone that doesn't get a lot of attention, and that is the Potensic Atom 2. I actually purchased this drone and repurchased it several times. This is my second Atom 2. I thought it was, gonna basically make its way in, make its way out, and then that would be it. But that's just not the case. Potensic decided to drop some surprises on me, and since they did that, it forced me to go back to the Atom 2 platform. So one of the things that they did was they pushed an update, and that update had a bunch of new color profiles. Their version of log, they call it P-log. So I'm going to be using the Eve app, and let's launch. Let's launch the Atom 2. Okay, so I'm going to do some fun stuff today. Remember my drone loss out there? We're gonna go check out the crash area. Oh my gosh, let me see here. I gotta launch here. I should have enough satellites. There we go. So all right, let me change my glasses. I've got to go to regular glasses. Oh yeah, so much better. All right. Let's go ahead and take off. I got to activate the. All right. Anyway, I guess I wasn't able to do that. All right, we're flying. All right. I had to quickly get in the air because let's go up here. Let's get the. All right. We don't want to track anything. It wants to track something. All right, we don't want to do that. Let's get it. Let's take some video. All right, we got video. We're taking video. All right, I gotta fly. There we go. So I'm out, and it is kicking butt out to the crash area. We're going out to the crash area. So heading out. All right, let's see. Let's get that going. Remember, I am not flying with my phone. That's all I can tell you at this point. Let's go ahead and go to manual mode. No. Back to auto exposure. All right, that's good. We're gonna stay right there. I've got a lot of interesting. So we're at 70%, so we can't go very far today. All I want you to do is see the video quality coming out of here. And remember, this drone platform has a 1/2-inch sensor. So anytime you have good lighting and you have a 1/2-inch sensor, that's all good. So this is the search area right here. Remember where I lost my drone and my old drone in question. I'm actually looking to change some things because What I'm actually thinking about doing another search. Actually doing another search based upon another dynamic that I'm just thinking about right now. This is a really crappy time to fly a drone. The sun is right in my face. But I am still able to, great, gosh, I have great RC signal, that's for sure. Just gonna go out here. I didn't have a fully charged battery, and you know, you gotta be careful with a lot of things. There we go. We'll get some beautiful shots of this river down here. Wow, that is pretty. And if the clouds will give me a break here, that will help. So, but guys, the Atom 2 is probably the most overlooked drone platform that has been put out. And I've got a competing aircraft, so I got to keep my altitude. So keeping low. And he's going over the top, and I'm well below him. And he's past me. This is actually a good flight path for what I'm doing today, just getting some shots of the cliff. Have been a while since I've flown this area here, but remember, this is the Potensic Atom 2. This isn't something else, you know. And I'm actually flying with something that they are releasing, but I can't tell you about it. I can't show it to you. All I can say is I'm flying without a phone. And I'm flying the Atom 2. And that's all that's all I'm giving up. All right, let's see here. I got a little bit of a, it says I basically have to come back, so, all right, let's return. We have a nice wind coming in, so we're gonna go ahead and head back. It basically said, hey, you gotta, it said basically you gotta come back. We're getting low on battery, but I didn't have a fully charged battery. I have 47% to get back, and that's, I think I started with 75%. By the way, this was actually a refurbished unit. And gosh, the lighting is actually pretty good, depending on whether you got a cloud. Now here's that rock outcropping. I don't know if you remember me doing the search. There is the rock outcropping right there. As part of that search right there. And I believe down there is the black, is the, I think that is right there. It might be, that might be the bush. But So yeah, I'm thinking about doing another search and concentrating on a different area for that search. So I was actually watching the search the other day and was thinking about changing that just to see if I can see if the possible crash zone is actually the same place based upon the triangulation difference. I think I was triangulating from the church and not from the substation. I thought I did though. So we're almost back. Almost back. But yeah, all I can tell you is I'm really enjoying this Potensic Atom so much more. Now that everything has been great. As far as controllability and information and those kinds of things. I like the evap. I really do like the evap. And I love the Atom 2 because it's a well-tested platform. And guys, one of the things you have to understand is the Atom 2 is like the mini series in that it's been so well tested. Oh, look at that. All right, anyway. So let's go ahead and take it in and get it on the ground. All right, look at the wind. Look at that. Look at that. I can show you this. I can show you the Atom 2 getting buffeted around. But all you knuckleheads out there that are giving this drone not 1 second more of an opportunity to make your life better is crazy. The price is so right for this drone. Guys, if you're not price conscious and you think that every drone is worth $1 gazillion, this thing here is gonna make a massive step in the correct direction. So I'm gonna go ahead and land it. That is absolutely amazing. And yes, I am re-loving drones. I really like what they've done. Let's go ahead and shut this down. And that's all I can say for today. Other than that, you just got to know. Remember when we were saying DJI is in trouble? Potensic is taking a certain step that we need them to take, and I am really loving it. These guys are making the effort to create a better drone platform, and there's nothing more I got to tell you except for we got to start looking at Potensic for its absolute potential. $475, controller, 3 batteries, drone, case, everything you need to fly, 1/2-inch sensor, and that's all I gotta tell you. It's making amazing steps forward. So, all right, guys, stick with Potensic, listen for news, and you will be happily rewarded for giving these guys your time. DJI is in trouble, Potensic not in trouble. Potensic is the heir apparent, and they are going to help us move to the next level. All right, later. And at least they're trying. Tell me another company that is. The answer is there is none. All right, later, Dad Random. Later, bye, Dad Random.